guys, good evening. So today is Saturday at ayan, meron na naman kami konting ayan, celebration regarding pa rin sa birthday. So ayan, meron tayong lansones. Itong lansones na ito yung variety na longkong na matamis. Tamis yan. Tapos we have this dim sum. So isang platter na dim sum yan. And yan, mayroon siyang hakaw, siomai, pork siomai, shrimp. Then we have this ginawa ko na yan, ginawa ko yan. Ano yan? Dip. Tawag dito? Tawag kasi dito? Nachos. Ang tawag yan? Anyway, beef para sa nachos yan. So we have the cheese. We have the chicharoni. We have this nachos. Yan, ito masarap to. Meron din kaming salad eh. So yan. Yan na yung pulutan. And then KJC, what can you say? This is another celebration. It's okay. Okay, we will wait for our visitors and then we will start to eat dinner, okay? Okay, yan. So, yan. We have this light yeah, from the door for alcoholic drinks. So, yan. That's basically it. Ito, meron pa pala nakalimutan ko. Meron kami dito. Chicken. We have 2 sets of chicken. Yes, we have 2 chicken also. So, yan. We have this lemon water, which is, syempre, healthy. Yan. So, yan guys. Siguro later, pagka dito na yung mga bisita, try ko rin mag-vlog para kita din natin. So, yan. Iniintay na namin sila. So, yan. Yan. Another birthday celebration again. Simple lang. With friends. Kapag medyo marami kang friends, pag minsan by schedule talaga. Itong mga friends namin to, matagal na namin di nakakasama. Siguro almost 2 to 3 months na yata hindi namin nakakasama to. Matagal na. So siguro syempre it's time naman na ngayong birthday ko kahit pa paano ililibre ko sila, paghahanda namin. So we have this also fries. Meron din kaming fries. And ayan, meron din kaming bangus. Courtesy of mom. Ayan, may bangus kami. So ayan. So yan yung natin ngayon. So, yan. Hinihintay pa namin. And then, after that, we will eat our dinner. So, what can you say about the birthday celebration again? Busog na naman. Ikaw? Busog na naman. Gusto mo ng lemon water, busog na naman. Yan. So, hinihintay lang natin. So, tinitingnan lang natin yan. Mamaya ko nire-reveal tong dim sum na to. Actually, masarap to. Hindi pa namin kaya pwedeng i-reveal kasi mainit pa siya. Yan, init ka. Kaya naka-steam nilang mabuti. Oh, yan. May fries pa. Okay. So, hinihintay lang namin yung mga bisita. So, after that, Tom Jones na yung mga tao. So, maganda kumain muna bago tayo uminom. Okay, so yan. That's it. So, again, sige, mamaya ulit. So, bye guys. Bye. Bye.